Welcome to our channel. If you want to avoid paying the monthly maintenance fee on your Chase Total checking account, follow these step-by-step instructions to meet the waiver requirements and save money. Step 1. Understand that Chase Total checking has a $12 monthly maintenance fee unless you meet certain criteria to have it waived. Step 2. The first way to waive the fee is by maintaining a minimum daily balance of $1,500 or more in your checking account. Monitor your balance daily to ensure it never drops below this amount. Step 3. Another way to waive the fee is by having direct deposits totaling $500 or more deposited into your account each month. This can include salary, government benefits, or pension payments. Step 4. If you have a linked Chase Premier Plus checking, Chase Premier Platinum checking, or Chase Private Client checking account, your total checking fee may be waived automatically. Check with Chase to confirm if your accounts qualify for this benefit. Step 5. Students under the age of 24 who are enrolled in college can also have the monthly fee waived by providing proof of enrollment to Chase. Step 6. To ensure you are meeting the requirements for fee waiver, log into your Chase online banking account or mobile app and review your account activity and balance regularly. Step 7. If you are unsure whether your account qualifies for a fee waiver, visit a Chase branch or call customer service at 1-800-935-9935 to speak with a representative who can review your account and confirm your eligibility. Step 8. Set up account alerts in the Chase app to notify you if your balance falls below the minimum required amount or if your direct deposit does not post as expected. This helps you stay on top of your account and avoid unexpected fees. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.